gave it too much sauce, bud.
Yeah, you did.
We're turning around.
Oh, okay.
I guess it's a dead end up there.
I'll have to go down. I'm not good at that.
I thought I broke my fender for a second.
I know, me too.
What is going on, everybody? Hope you all are having a great day so far. This is the second portion of us riding for the first time ever at Wayne National Forest. Ton of fun, ton of great people. And once again, I just want to say, this is Pauline's first time ever in some trails on a dirt bike. First time riding a dirt bike, first time on boots, just the whole 9 yards. And she's killing it. And as you guys will see coming up here, we get a little bit steeper in these trails. Nothing off the beaten path, but the trails get a little steeper, a little bit of switchbacks, a little bit of deeper mud, and she just chugs right through. So sit back, relax, guys, and enjoy the ride.
It's like the 8th time I've bought on my front suspension so far. Only the front though, not the back. I need to get that Race Tech. That'd make this bike a world of difference out here. Yeah, take your time if you have to. What's that supposed to mean? It's a fun trail. This is a hell of a climb. Oh my. Yeah, I can hear you. It's a hell of a climb. It's fun though. It's easy. You'll make it. It's just on the trail, but it's just fun. It's like a lot of switchbacks.
What do you think so far, JB?
I love this so far.
Sweet.
Man, everybody back home would kill for this.
Awesome.
Like, these are such well-maintained trails that you could just flow you know what I mean, all day long. Just trail to trail, and it's just, you could catch some really good lines and have fun for a long time, you know what I mean?
Yeah, that's good to hear,
She's killing it.
I know.
Like that hill, I almost dumped it like 5 times. She was like, yeah.
She's been riding quads her whole life, but like sport quads, but never a dirt bike, so.
Yeah, good for
But
her.
she's got a lot of mountain biking training, so that helps.
That does help.
Yeah.
For sure.
Oh yeah, we got mud coming up. Oh, almost got it. Almost went down. Saved myself though. Watch yourself in the one muddy section. You'll see it. Take your time. Oh boy. Yeah, be careful. That one's pretty bad with the ruts. No problem, like a champ. Go ahead. Hell yeah, you are. Yeah. Is Tilly behind me or is Tilly ahead? Okay. You good? Yeah, get it, get it, get it! Yeah! Woo! Look at all that mud cleaning right out of her tire. That's amazing. Okay, okay. She's just chugging right up this like a champ. She hustled all of us. Woo, in the shade, that wind. Oh, what is he thinking about? Oh boy. Thank God for hydration packs.
No kidding.
Right?
For real.
Wow, your face is red. Whoo! She gets like that.
I always get really red.
Wow. You are killing it today.
Oh my God.
Where did this come from?
Right? Yeah, you're right.
Like you've done this for at least a couple months.
You're killing it.
I've almost dropped it like 3 times and you're just plowing through everything.
I almost dropped it once, but
Do you like the bike?
Yeah, yeah.
I think that bike fits you
Tractor,
perfect.
Yeah, it's such a tractor.
Yeah, that thing fits you perfect. I mean, if you made it up that hill climb, what were you in, like
No
second?
problem. I think second.
Then you're good. That's fine. Especially on switchbacks where it's stop and go a lot, you're good.
Really, he's not gonna drink water.
Why?
I don't know. I told him to, but
He should.
I'm paddle tailing on him. Ugh. Oh man, that was a 45-minute ride.
That was
Was it?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, 43 minutes.
Yeah.
Nice.
We can get up that.
We could get up, I think.
Dude,
There's a wooden plank.
oh, nice good view.
That doesn't look too bad.
Oh, what the hell? If you fall, you're screwed.
Are we going back this way?
Yeah, I'm going up the hill.
Yeah.
Dude, look at that.
Oh my God.
That's crazy.
Oh, oh, shit. Come on. Oh my Oh my, oh Jesus.
Dude, there's like 2 metal rails down there and they widen out as I get in there.
Wow.
That's crazy.
We need to build a better bridge for next time.
Yeah.
This is a good little shortcut, Tilly, because we're right.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We don't have to go slow through the campsite. We can just jet down out here.
Yeah, we can.
We'll have to make a better bridge, but yeah, good luck getting up that with the stock tires, man. I'm gonna film it though.
Yeah.
Hell yeah.
He goes, hell yeah.
You guys can film me going up it.
Huh. Interesting.